Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for GM's 2011 to 2019 HD pickups.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Unbolt and lift the bed to create clearance. Remove the exhaust, rear passenger side shock, fuel tank, fuel lines, and any brackets or clips in the work area. Step 3. Inspect the frame rails where the rear fuel tank crossmember mounts. If the frame rails are structurally sound, cut the factory crossmember out of the frame rails and cut it in half for removal. If the frame rails require repair, remove the crossmember and grind the area to bare metal. Apply a weld-through primer and install the required frame repair kit. Step 4. Slide the frame support rings onto the replacement crossmember. Fit the crossmember into the frame rails starting on the passenger side, then install the remaining support rings on the outside of the frame rails. Step 5. Confirm the upper shock mount, fuel tank strap brackets, exhaust hanger, and coil spring buckets are properly positioned. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the support rings and crossmember prior to welding all edges fully. Finally, apply a rust inhibiting top coat.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Once dry, reinstall the fuel tank, fuel lines, exhaust, rear shock, then lower and reinstall the bed. Now, get back out on the road.